if I had to start over again today as a virtual assistant with 0 clients, no portfolio, just my laptop and an internet connection, here's exactly how I will make my first $100 online. So grab your notebook because class is in session. But before we get started, like this video so it can reach a wider audience. Subscribe to the channel if you're yet to subscribe, neighbor, and turn on the notification bell. So if I had to start all over again, here is how I will make my first $100 online. The first thing I would do is to look at my own experience and pick one profitable specialized skill. Being a virtual assistant is not about admin only. Notice I said specialized skill. Specialization is where the money is. So I would choose one skill or one offer that I know will solve a pain point for my target audience. Now, if I take inventory of my skills and I know that I don't have any profitable skill that I can offer to someone to pay me, my next move will be to learn this skill. I will look for the fastest way possible to learn the skill so I can monetize quickly, either by mentorship or joining a coaching program. Once I have pinpointed a winning skill that I know I can do better than an average person, and by the way, if you don't feel confident in your current skill set, make sure you get a true objective point of view from a friend or a family member who knows you really well and ask them what they think is a skill that you have that is better than the average person. Once I have fine-tuned and figure out that winning skill I can offer or monetize, the next thing I will do is to actually create a buyer persona. In a nutshell, a buyer persona is essentially the entire profile of the person I believe I can help with my skill, basically outlining who my ideal client is. I'm going to create a buyer persona where I outline in detail who my ideal clients would be and also what their point A to point B would look like. I'm really thinking about first the point A of my ideal clients. What situation are they in right now? What do they need help with? What are their pain points? What are they struggling with? I'll really zero in on this and then I will think about their point B. Where do they want to be? What are their goals? What would success look like for them? Once I realize what their point A and point B is, I'm going to then look at the bridge between point A and point B. Whatever they need to get from point A to point B is what I'm going to offer. That is the sweet spot.
Hey neighbor, I hope you're enjoying today's video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. So before we go further into the video, I just want to tell you something real quick. Do you know that 60.9% of people who watch my channel or videos on my channel have not subscribed yet? Yes, so if you're finding value in this video and any other video you must have watched on my channel, kindly show me some love and support by clicking the subscribe button and make sure to turn on the notification bell as well so you don't miss any content on the channel. While at it, give this video a like so it can reach a wider audience. Another thing I need to tell you is that registration for the next wave of the VA simulation program is open. So click the link in the description and in the pinned comment to sign up. Don't miss this wave again, neighbor. Show up for yourself this year, okay? If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for your support. I am grateful for you. If you're a returning subscriber, I am grateful for you as well. Now let's head back to the video.
Now, once I figure out the gap that I could potentially fill, the next thing I'm going to do is to create my portfolio. Now, there is no portfolio without your work samples. When I say portfolio, I don't mean go to Canva, slap a design with no sample work to link. I am talking about creating 3 to 4 mock projects of me filling that gap, of me solving that pain point for my clients, and then going to Canva, designing my portfolio, just a mini portfolio, put it together, host my mock projects on Google Drive, link them to my portfolio, and then I am ready to share my work with my ideal clients. Next, I am going to start creating content and documenting my journey of starting my business whilst sharing key advice within that niche that is going to attract my ideal clients. By creating content, whether on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, I'll not only start positioning myself as an authority by sharing valuable content, but I'll also build my personal brand that way, especially by sharing my journey. I want to build an engaging and strong personal brand so that I can be a magnet to new prospects. I'll also join Facebook groups where I believe my target audience hang out. And I'll be generous in helping people there, answer questions, provide solutions. That way, more eyeballs will come to my Instagram account, will come to my Facebook account, will come to my TikTok account, or my Facebook page where I house my original content. Once I have developed a solid library of content, I'm starting to attract an audience. The next thing I will do is I will hop on real conversations with potential clients to validate my assumptions. Are my guesses about their pain points accurate? Am I on the right track? What solution would they actually pay for? By gathering this data, I will let the market tell me what they actually need. From all that research, I am going to create a juicy lead magnet to funnel people to my offer. In it, I'll share framework, processes, strategies, and real value. So whether they buy from me or not, whether they hire me or not, they walk away with something useful. Next up, since I wouldn't have a testimonial yet, I will offer an early bird discount or a discounted time offer to attract my first batch of paying clients. If my offer originally is $100, which is what we're targeting, I will offer a discount for 3 clients, putting the price on $35 each. Now, while this discount is going on, I would shamelessly go into the DM of my prospective clients, give them value, and pitch this offer to them. Now I have the 3 clients. I'll work with the 3 clients, make sure I give it my all, so I will have tangible testimonials I can use for my full offer. Now, these are the step-by-step process I'm going to take if I'm to start again from scratch, from zero, from nothing. Rinse, repeat, and scale. This is just me scratching the surface. If you are serious about becoming a virtual assistant in 2025, in 2026, you want to learn specialized high income skills that clients are willing to pay for, you want to be among the 1% that will thrive even with AI, then you need to sign up for the VA simulation program. You will get mentorship and stimulation practice that will land you your first client as a virtual assistant. So that's it, neighbor. I hope this video was helpful to you. Remember that the full playbook, the free guide, is in the description as well, with the link to join my coaching program. Like this video so it can reach a wider audience. Subscribe if you've not yet. Thank you so much for watching to this point. If you've watched to this point, say 2026 is my money making year. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in this video next. Bye, neighbor.